Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you how you can easily delete partitions from your external hard disk or SSD. Now if I go to disk management, you can see that this is my external hard disk which has 6 different partitions on it. Now if I right click over the partitions, I don't get the option to delete them. So I'll show you a simple method by which you can delete all the partitions at a time. So there is a method of disk part, but many users may find it difficult and end up with many issues. So follow the process which you will be seeing right now. Simply open your browser and go to this link. I'll give the link in the video description. After going to this link, download the software from here. After downloading the software, simply install it and run it as administrator. Now here, locate the hard drive and right click over it and you'll get the option delete all partitions. Click on it and click on OK. Now at the top left corner, click on apply. Click on proceed and OK. That's it. Now the drive will show as unallocated. Simply right click over it and select create partition. Click on OK and click on apply. Click on proceed from here and OK. That's it. Wait for few seconds and that's it. Your drive will be back to normal and in a single partition now. If you go to disk management, you can see the status of the hard drive now. All the 6 partitions are deleted. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if this helped. Thank you.